Here I have REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly what you have to do is to open screen which you want to capture, and then press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and that's how you can easily take screenshot. So let me show you once again. Power key, volume down, and screenshot will be taken. So one last time, volume down, power key at the same time. That's how it's easily done. You can find your screenshots in Photos, in the Screenshots album, and here they are. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete, and more actions which you can perform with these screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.